Brought to you by Baby Lock, for the love of sewing. Sulky Threads. Express yourself with Sulky and create with confidence.
Hi, welcome to Quiltmaker's Block Network. I'm Carolyn Beam with Quiltmaker magazine. Today I'd like to share with you Summer Garden, block number 39. This block was designed by Karla Eisenach and appears in 100 Blocks Volume 1. To make this 12-inch block, here's what you need. There's 4 squares that'll be sewn for the background and 2 different reds for the applique. You can find the cutting dimensions for your background squares and everything else you need to make this 12-inch block on your screen. You're going to trace your design onto the paper side of your fusible web and then cut about 1/4 inch on either side of your drawn lines. Peel off the paper side, one side, not the drawn side, and you're going to adhere it to the back side of your applique fabric, just like this. You'll use an iron to press these, I think. Once you've adhered your fusible web to the wrong side of your applique patches, you're going to cut directly on the drawn line, and a small pair of sharp pointed scissors works great for applique. Once you have your applique shapes cut out, you also need to piece your background, which is just all 4 patches sewn together. You're going to peel the paper side of your fusible web off. And the nice thing about this block is you can use the seam lines to line up your applique, just like this. And you'll do the same thing with the little circle in the middle. Center it right there like that. Then you'll use an iron to adhere the fusible to your background, and you'll get a finished block that looks like this. Now, the only thing we need to do now is to blanket stitch with a machine around the edges. With a machine blanket stitch, you can choose a thread color to match your applique patch, or you can choose a contrasting thread like I've chosen. A machine blanket stitch is made up of 2 parts. There's a part that goes straight, that will be sewn directly on your background next to your applique patch, and a little zig stitch that will be sewn onto your applique fabric that will hold your applique in place. So what you want to do is line your fabric up and put your needle down directly next to your applique fabric. So you can see it's just at the edge like this. Lower your presser foot, and away we go. Let's look at 2 quilt layouts using this block. The first one is a 9-block layout with 3 rows of 3 blocks set apart by sashing. And for the sashing, I thought the red would look nice and contrast the blocks nicely. For the second layout, the fabric values are reversed for 4 of the blocks. They have a red background with tan applique, so the different colored blocks are set alternately in this design. You can find Summer Garden and 99 other amazing blocks in Quiltmaker's 100 Blocks Volume 1. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you'll join us next time for Quiltmaker's Block Network. This block lends itself to great design options. I'd like to show some of those to you. Be a little slap happy here.